I would like to congratulate all the prize winners for their wonderful performance in giving a lead to the public sector units in India. This is a lead not just for their units but perhaps much more for those that are still lagging a little far behind and need incentive to catch up with the better units. I would like to congratulate the public sector for the remarkable performance. For the first time, we are seeing real performance coming from the public sector. It just goes to show that there is no such thing as private sector being better. Public sector has shown that in many key areas they can operate and function at higher levels of efficiency and with better performance than even the best private sector companies. I would like to congratulate you for demonstrating this not only to India and our public sector but for the whole world to see, because there is a tendency to believe that the public sector is bad and the private sector is good. The fact is that there is no such law that operates. It is the individual management that matters. There is good management in the public sector and there is bad management too. Equally, there is good and bad management in the private sector. It is the method of work we have to look for. It is not this or that sector that counts but the nation is a whole. This makes a difference in performance in our industries. Para, in the public sector, you have given a new lead. The public sector was built to give such a lead when it was started in the 50s. Today, the role must change slightly. The leading role that you have much continue, but you must move into new fields and a lot more needs to be done. The challenge ahead is going to be even more than the challenge that you faced in the past. The only way out is good performance, efficiency, and this is where you must given the lead in the coming years. The world is already drawing the battle lines. Various countries are making groupings. We in India feel that any much grouping is bad. We would like all groups in the world function as one, especially in the economic field. While we struggle for that, the challenge that you will have to face is to give the lead in this fight that lies ahead.